Looking for a reliable business partner with an all-covering 360-degree solution, delivering measurable results, like not just any promises? So then you are in the right place. We are SkillersZone, and we are committed to delivering excellent results you are seeking for your business. With over 10 years of hands-on experience in digital marketing, e-commerce, web design and development, graphic design, copywriting, and beyond, we are here to help your enterprise scale and thrive globally. Our expert service portfolio includes robust digital marketing, result-oriented e-commerce account management, cutting-edge web design and development, stunning graphic design. Our digital marketing experts will cover, for example, Google Ads, say like search, display, shopping, YouTube, meta ads, such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. Social media strategy for your online growth, influencer and affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, answer engine optimization, and artificial intelligence optimization, all for your business's strong online visibility and expected growth. Our web design and development masters will deliver custom Shopify store design and development, theme customization and feature integration, Shopify app integration, WordPress and e-commerce development, responsive mobile-first design. So in order to establish your brand's trust and authority, you can come to us to have the best results. With result-oriented e-commerce services, we offer platform-specific account management for Amazon, eBay, Walmart, TikTok, Shop, Etsy, Shopify, and much more. PPC or pay-per-click services for Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Etsy. And one of our major e-commerce expertises lies in multi-channel inventory and order management with tools including ChannelAdvisor, SellerCloud, Sellbrite, Linnworks, and LitCommerce. Last but not the least, our visual wizards, aka graphic designers, are capable of providing logo and brand identity, A+ content and product image design, social media creatives, banner ads, brochures and print materials, UI UX design and web and mobile, infographics and packaging design. So to turn your social media platforms, websites and templates into crafty and masterful pieces of impact. If your goal is business growth, our job is to make it happen. So your business idea is our roadmap, your vision, our strategy, your problem, our innovation. When we team up, you will start seeing the real change in your business. So this is our 360-degree digital solution for your real business growth. So what truly sets us apart in the market? We don't just believe one-size-fits-all solutions. We treat every business as a unique entity, and every strategy we create is built around the specific needs of your uniqueness. Lastly, at SkillersZone, we combine creativity, technology, and data-driven decisions to deliver solutions that work in the real world. We listen first, we plan carefully, we execute with purpose. From strategy to execution and from launch to growth, we stay with you in every step of the journey. So if you're looking for such a reliable growth partner, let's talk.